Hello everyone, I'm Eddy Ray and welcome back to the Secret Magicians Club. It's been a long time, but we are back, and the plan is to do about one trick per week, teaching an easy to do trick using money, rubber bands, cards, that kind of thing. Now make sure you use the comments below, ask us questions, tricks you may want to see, that kind of thing. Also tell your friends, like the video, share it, make sure you subscribe as well, all right? So today's trick is called the Hypnotic coin. Let's get to it. We have this little token, metallic coin. You can borrow the coin. The idea is to carefully and slowly place the coin on your fingertips and have it balance on your fingertips very carefully, like this. And then to hypnotize the coin with one finger in little circles like this. And that will make the coin fall asleep little by little, just like this. This guy here is a troublesome guy. There he goes. He was fighting sleep for sure. All the way down. Into the palm, just like that. Now, how does that work? Well, we'll explain it right now. So how do you hypnotize a coin or get it to stay on edge on your fingertips? And how do you get it to fall down slowly in your fingertips? Well, you have full control the entire time, and it's very, very simple. In fact, you can borrow the coin. Recommend borrowing a quarter. You can also use your own. I use a little token here from an arcade, but carry a coin with you if you'd like. A quarter recommended, good size. Or again, you can borrow a coin as well. And you also need a pin, a regular pin, straight pin. And you want to file this down so it's not sharp. So get a nail file or go outside to the cement or the macadam and the pavement and rub it back and forth. That way you don't prick yourself and hurt yourself and bleed during the trick. This simply gets pinched between your index and middle fingers like this. And you can actually have this the entire time before you start the trick. So your hands are kind of naturally like this. You won't drop the pin as long as you keep that pressure and keep it pinched there, you'll be fine. So yeah, there you go. You're set up to go. Borrow the coin, and as you bring your hands up, set the coin in front of the pin as you straighten out your hand, all right? So the pin is so small that they probably won't see with your hands moving. The bigger motion covers a very small needle, so you won't see it unless it reflects light, but even that would probably be hard to see. But just don't do this, you know, make sure you kind of bring up both at the same time, like this, hands up. And then pretend to fight with balancing it. And slowly remove your fingers. And that's a feat in of itself, right there, balancing the coin on your fingers. Of course, the pin is behind it. Now do watch your angles from the sides and the back because they may see the pin. So keep it pretty much dead on in front of their eyes, okay? Pretend to hypnotize the coin with your fingers, snap, whatever you want to do, kind of wave around a little bit too. As you do this, simply release some pressure in your fingertips and let the weight of the coin push back on the pin into the palm of your hand. It will take some practice to get it to go really, really slow. At first, you may drop the pin or the coin, but as you do this, you can control how slow it goes. And as you do this, the coin appears to be falling all by itself at your command in your hand, like this. Pretty amazing. When you're done, when it falls all the way down completely, toss the coin into the other hand like this and hand it out for inspection. There's nothing to see here. Drop the pin on the floor and you're good to go. So Hypnotic coin, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more free tricks right here on the Secret Magicians Club. See you guys back here next time.